Hi fams, and welcome back to Lee Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set YouTube to delete your watch history for a certain period of time. Alright, so the first thing is to launch the YouTube app, and then you'd want to click on your profile icon on the bottom right side of the screen, and then click on the gear icon on the top right side of the screen to go to settings. And from here, click on manage all history at the center of the options right there. All right, so on this next page, you can actually see that our watch history is set to never auto delete. So what we want to do is to click on that option, and then we click on the first option right there that says auto delete activity. That's older than. Then on the drop down, we want to select the range of time, and the YouTube has three range of period there. The first one is 3 months, and the second one is 18 months, and the last is 36 months. So you just want to go ahead and select the one that is appropriate, and once that's done, just click on next on the bottom right side of the screen, then click on confirm and click on got it. So that way you have made your preference clear to YouTube to auto delete your watch history every 36 months. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.